This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use grids in Krita. Grids are incredibly useful tools for achieving precision and consistency in your digital artwork. They act as visual guides, helping you align elements, maintain proportions, and create balanced compositions. Understanding how to effectively use Krita's grid system can significantly enhance your drawing and painting workflow, making complex tasks much simpler and more accurate. To begin, let's activate the grid. Navigate to the View menu and select Show Grid, or simply press the Shift+G shortcut. Once visible, you can customize its appearance. Go to Configure Krita, then Grids and Guides. Here, you can set the grid spacing, perhaps to 25 pixels, and even change the line color and thickness to ensure it's perfectly visible against your canvas. With your grid active, you can now use it to guide your drawing. Krita offers a Snap to Grid feature, which you can enable from the View menu. This automatically aligns your brush strokes and shapes to the nearest grid lines, making it effortless to draw perfectly straight lines, precise rectangles, or consistent patterns. It's especially helpful for maintaining accurate proportions and perspective in your illustrations. Krita's grid system also offers advanced functionalities. You can set up subgrids, for instance, dividing each main grid cell into 4 smaller sections, allowing for even finer detail work. Experiment with different grid types, like isometric or perspective grids, to suit specialized projects. Remember, you can quickly toggle the grid on and off using the Shift+G shortcut, streamlining your workflow as you switch between detailed and freehand drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.